Welcome to my channel. Today we will be talking about the full tutorial of PNC Bank Mobile App 2025 update. Let's begin with a quick overview. The PNC Bank Mobile App allows you to manage your accounts, deposit checks, pay bills, and transfer funds. The 2025 update includes a new digital direct deposit manager and enhanced security features. First, to get started, download the app and sign in with your online banking user ID and password. You can enable Touch ID or Face ID for secure and convenient access. The home screen provides a summary of your accounts. You can check balances, view recent transactions, and see your free balance if you have a virtual wallet. This free balance shows you what's available to spend after subtracting known bills and expenses. To deposit a check, tap Mobile Deposit, select the account, enter the check amount, and take photos of the front and back of your endorsed check. The 2025 update also offers PNC Express funds for immediate access to your money for a fee. Paying bills is simple. Tap Bill Pay, add a new bill, and schedule a one-time or recurring payment. You can also send and receive money with Zelle for peer-to-peer transfers. A new feature in 2025 is the Digital Direct Deposit Manager. This allows you to set up or change your direct deposit preferences for payroll or other income directly from the app without filling out paperwork. Under the Cards section, you can manage your credit and debit cards. You can lock or unlock a card if you misplace it and view a list of merchants where your card information is stored. Finally, the 2025 security enhancements include new sign-in methods like a one-time passcode for unrecognized devices and voice recognition for phone banking. These features help keep your account secure. With that being said, thank you for watching.